Hello and welcome to the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. That was the mouse. Today we are going to make another table to stand around right here in the little teapot, or actually the big teapot. I'm using one of the Miniverse Make It Mini Food table, and I designed the square table with the extra height on there so that it fits the 1 to 12. I want to have it standing right here when it's all done, but first we need to make a tablecloth. I will link to this new table in the info box below, and there you also find the little plug, or what you call it, that made the table a little higher if you still want the round table. So I am going to use this fabric for my tablecloth this time, and I'm just gonna cut out a square that is bigger than the table. I decided to use my hot glue to get this tablecloth on there, so I'm just gonna pop in a tiny bit of hot glue. Don't make it too thick, and I'm placing it just like this on the table and trying to soften out the hot glue underneath so that I don't get any bumps and stuff like that. And then I am just gonna glue the other side here just a tiny bit. Don't want too much glue, and you don't want bumps on there. And then I am going to glue down the flaps here. This table has a nice edge, so you can just put glue around the edge or on the edge here, and then just place the cloth over it, and it will stick really nice to the table, and it will look like it is kind of really heavy duty fabric hanging over the edge of the table, so it's a nice illusion. I am also going to glue the two pieces of the table here together so that I'm sure everything will stay in place. I have a few cakes here from old videos that I am going to glue on, and a few of my teapots, and I'm just gonna place the table inside the little teapot and glue on the things. It's really hard to record in there, so you're getting it with pictures this time. Sorry about that. With a tea party, you also need a little teapot. No teapot, no tea. So I found this teapot online. It actually had a little heart on the lid, but that broke off, and I kind of like that anyway, so I'm just gonna go with that. There is a lot of 3D files online. I will see if I can find this teapot again so you can print this yourself. Anyway, I am starting with a base coat of white paint on the inside of the teapot and the outside of the teapot, and I'm just taking my time with this. I think I gave this around 2 or 3 coats of white before I was happy. After the white paint was all dried, I found a few colors of paint that I liked. So I have a light blue, a little darker blue, a green, and a gold color here, and I'm just going to paint on some flowers on the little teapot, only on the nice side, because when it is glued into the scenery, you won't see it from both sides anyway. So I'm just doing the decoration on one side, and then you will have to think that there might be a decoration on the other side. I will put on a tiny bit of music and let you watch me paint this little teapot. I did glue the little lid onto the teapot so that it won't disappear on me, and I won't handle it in any kind of way, so it's fine with me. Then I am using some Fimo glaze right now to glaze the little teapot, giving it a tiny bit of shine. I'm letting that harden before I am going to glue that into my little teapot scenery. So here is the little done teapot. I think it came out really nice. And next to that one you see a little tissue holder. I made that some time ago, and here it is again. I am going to pop that all into the little scenery, and again it's really hard and difficult to record that while having my hands through the little hole. So instead I took quite a lot of picture for you to show you the done result for now. I have a few more ideas for this little box. I'm still not done, but if you have some ideas for me to make it more Alice in Wonderland then please tell me. I would love to know. Anyway, that's all you get for today. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting.